We view education and healthcare as top priorities. We have achieved so much. 8 years ago we had the worst wait time for surgeries in the country. Today we have the best.
That's true for some surgical procedures. But there are still long wait times for non-surgical procedures. And there have been other significant issues such as the poorly managed C. difficile outbreaks in our hospitals.
We have hired thousands of new doctors and nurses. We have built new hospitals. 1 million more of us have a family doctor. We have gotten our healthcare system back on its feet.
There have certainly been some good initiatives in healthcare. I find it much easier to go to a walk-in clinic.
Exactly. We view access to healthcare as a top priority.
But so do the other parties. They all have strategies to increase healthcare spending and improve our healthcare system.
I would not trust them. I would trust me. I will not increase taxes.
Although there has been progress in some areas, there has been billions of dollars of waste under your government. What about the billions of wasted dollars on e-health? The delays in openings and funding of new hospital builds? The huge cost overruns in new hospital builds? The out-of-control spending on local health networks? The opposition is promising to increase spending in healthcare. But perhaps more importantly, they plan to manage the spending more effectively so that we do not waste billions and billions of dollars.
I wouldn't trust them. I would trust me. I will not raise taxes. Sure. I'll mislead you and scare you. I'll redirect your attention away from the huge budget deficits and debt increases. I'll mislead you about our job situation and not point out that we have lost hundreds of thousands of goods-producing jobs, and that many of our new jobs are in the public sector, being paid for by taxpayer dollars and money that we are borrowing. I'll talk to you about dollars pouring into the province without mentioning any specifics. I won't point out that one of the reasons our graduation rates are so much higher is that we've made it way easier for students to gain credits. Nor will I highlight that many of the initiatives that have positively affected our education system were implemented by previous governments. I want to make you afraid of what others will do with healthcare, even though they have promised to increase spending. I'll put doubt in your mind by taking things out of context and selectively highlighting positions and opinions people had years ago. It's impossible to think that people's minds and positions have changed through the years to reflect new knowledge, maturity and societal changes. I, of course, have never changed my mind or position on anything. I'll mislead you on my government's record by selectively choosing some positive sound bites without telling the whole story. And I will totally neglect or discount major issues such as our huge deficit and staggering debt. But you should trust me, not them. I will not raise taxes.